Jamaica breaking
having an
news.
imitation firearm is 15 years. And if you choose to resist and vehemently explain why you're in possession of this firearm, imitation firearm, and the police think that you are resisting, the minimum is 20 years. A see-through water gun.
Oh, even a see-through water gun?
Is an imitation firearm.
Okay, okay.
Did the lawmakers do this because they think people are using imitation firearms for, what's the word, nefarious means?
And in thinking about the issue, there are unscrupulous, criminally minded individuals who don't have access to a firearm and may shape out a firearm to go and commit a robbery or commit a felony. However, the intention of Parliament, I'm humbly suggesting, on the ground, 3 years after the fact, it is not encapsulating those persons. Innocent children, children who we know they're not au fait with the law. We don't expect them to be educated on certain things because they're still learning.